In this video, I'll show you how to fix X, also known as Twitter, errors today using a few quick steps that can solve the most common loading and access issues. If X is not working properly, showing an error message, or just refusing to load, follow these steps in order. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes like this. First, before changing anything on your device, check whether the problem is actually on X's side. Sometimes the issue is not with your browser or phone at all. It could be a site-wide server outage. To verify that, open a browser and visit any website that checks live server status for X or Twitter. Look for reports, outage charts, and user complaints. If you see that many people are reporting problems, then the issue is likely global, and you may just need to wait until the service is restored. If the status sites show that X is working normally, then the next step is to clear your browser data. On your keyboard, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete at the same time. This opens the Clear Browsing Data window in most browsers. Make sure cookies and cache are selected, because those are the files that often cause login problems, page errors, and loading issues on X. You can usually leave other items unchecked if you only want the basic fix. Then confirm the action and clear the data. After that, close the browser completely and reopen it, then try X again. If you still see the error, the next thing to check is your VPN. If you're using a VPN, turn it off and try loading X again. Sometimes VPNs can trigger connection problems, region blocks, or security checks that stop X from working correctly. Disabling the VPN often fixes the issue right away. After doing these steps, refresh X and test it again. In many cases, one of these three fixes will solve the problem: checking for an outage, clearing cache and cookies, or disabling the VPN. If the video helped, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you want more fast fixes for apps and websites like this. Thanks for watching.